Hello guys! So we're here at Baluarte de San Diego sa loob po ng Intramuros. This is our Intramuros series episode number 3. So samahan niyo po kami i-explore ang loob ng Baluarte de San Diego. Let's go guys! The Baluarte de San Diego, an ace-of-spades resembling bastion, was built on the southwestern corner of Intramuros from 1586 to 1587. Renovated in 1593 to join the city walls, fell into disrepair and reconstruction began for a new baluarte, which was undertaken between 1653 and 1663.
Was breached by British forces' cannon fire in 1762, had been restored and strengthened, even housing a foundry throughout the 18th century after British occupation, yet was damaged again during the immense 1863 earthquake, was nearly destroyed during the Battle of Manila in 1945, until the most recent rebuilding started in 1979 and was completed in 1992.
Now, Baluarte de San Diego, a majestic stone fort with its huge medieval walls, serves as an event venue with beautiful gardens, bonsai display, picnic area, engagement photo shoots offerings, and accommodation for many other special occasions.
say thank you to those who'd watch our entire videos, and if you'd like to come back for more of our content, please also feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the bell, and allow push notifications for prompt updates of our future uploads.